today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Buy with PayPal button from your Shopify store in just a few minutes. If you've decided that the PayPal checkout option isn't the best fit for your business, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step to make sure your store works exactly how you want it. Start by logging into your Shopify account. Open your web browser and go to the Shopify login page. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll land on your store's admin dashboard for managing every aspect of your online store. Next, look for the Settings tab at the bottom left corner. Panel for all store configurations. Click on it, and a submenu will open with various options related to your store operations. From this menu, select Payments. This section is where you manage all payment gateways connected to your store. You'll see a list of active and inactive gateways, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and any other third-party providers you may have enabled. Locate the PayPal section. Shopify automatically includes PayPal as a default payment provider, which is convenient for many sellers, but it can be deactivated if it no longer fits your needs. Click on the PayPal option to manage its settings, and you'll see a deactivate button. Clicking this button will stop your store from offering PayPal as a checkout option to customers. After selecting deactivate, Shopify may ask you to confirm your decision. This safeguard ensures that you're intentionally making the change. Simply confirm, and PayPal will be removed from your checkout process. This is a quick and simple way to adjust your payment options according to your business needs. Remember, removing PayPal may affect customers who frequently use it, so consider your audience before making changes. The good news is this process can always be reversed if you change your mind later. Regularly reviewing your payment options ensures your store provides the best experience for your customers. And that's it. Successfully remove the Buy with PayPal button from your Shopify store. Adjusting your payment methods is easy, and it keeps your store aligned with your business goals. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.